What's going on, everybody? Just taking a moment out of the day here, well, evening, I guess, at this point, to kind of just go over the next kind of little renditions of what's coming on with the vehicles. So, was waiting on a few parts and everything to come in. Finally, have had a few shipments. Some that's been waiting a few months. Others that have just been kind of lingering and all that. So, a few things that have arrived. But first of all, most recent updates. So we got the Evo here, kind of a little bit more updates on it. We know we redid the engine bay area here. Let me get this turned on here. And then also got in some fresh caps from STM for oil and then also for the brake fluid reservoir. But we also got a few other goodies. So at the most recent show that I went to, picked up this sweet little bracket here from Clean Street. Turns out doesn't quite fit the car. It fits down there nicely, but as you can see, the mounting points are not going to line up. So gonna have to come up with something for that. Always something, right? We also got in a couple other parts here. So as you can see, the big old box there is for the Stagia, that guy there. So a few goodies. Gotta love the good old right-hand drive Japan. They were able to they had a bunch of things on clear out. But as you can see, I guess I didn't really do my research when I was selecting some things. But we have this beautiful piece in from Cusco. But as you can see, not quite the same color that I thought it was going to be. So that is actually going to be going right there. Just to kind of clean up the front end a little bit there. But not really sure. I absolutely love the blue. Try to get myself, there we go. Absolutely love this blue color. I just did not realize that it was blue. Doesn't really fit the motif of the car. So I don't know. Not really sure what to do with that at this point. Don't even know if it's possible to be blasted and kind of powder coated or what. So I've got to do some research on that. But absolutely love this piece. You can see right there. Oh, nope. Here, let's take it right out here. Nicely stamped. Holy, this lighting. Sorry, guys, this lighting sucks in here. Cusco, Japan there. So, absolutely in love with the piece, but the color is... the color's not what I thought it was, let's just say. So, but that'll sit there like that. So, gonna explore what my options are for that. Or if you know anybody who does have the blue motif and they want to carry that through, by all means, send them my way. But the other piece in here, another Cusco piece to replace the upper strut bar. And then this one actually has the brake. There's like an arm that comes off it and goes on the brake booster. So interesting little piece. This box here, this is actually for the Kona. Big shout out to Unique Performance, I think it is. They have made a replacement rear sway bar for the Kona, so that's going to be the next kind of piece that's going to go on the Kona. Can't even remember. I think we still have a front mount intercooler to do for the Kona. There's the rear sway bar now to do, and then a couple other little pieces for that. So that'll be for the Kona. For the Stagia, that big old box over there is... I don't even remember when I ordered that at this point, but the Blitz coilovers. So initially had been looking at selling the car. Had a deal which I thought was going to be good on it. Turns out the guy was unable to do what he wanted to do with that. so the project still is in my possession. So if you know anybody who is in the market for the PNM Stagea OTEC Axis, send it my way. Beautiful car, love it, but I have other plans and other kind of projects that I want to pursue at this time. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at this point with some of the things. But as you can see, I don't know, I do like the blue. I just, nothing else is blue in the car, so I need to do some research on that, see what we can sort out. But you kind of see the fitment there of it. It'll take out those factory indentation spots there and replace all that spot there. So that's some work to be done, but that's what's on the go at present for the cars.